The importance of reading books. Books are like doors that open to new worlds. When we open a book, we step into a place where we can meet new people, learn new ideas, and go on journeys we have never imagined. Reading is not only for study, but also for joy and discovery. From a young age, many children first learn about stories through picture books. As we grow, books become guides that help us understand life. A story about a brave hero can teach us about courage. A story about kindness can remind us to care for others. Books are silent teachers, but their lessons stay in our hearts. Reading also helps us in school. When we read, our vocabulary grows. We learn new words and understand how sentences are built. This makes our speaking and writing better. Reading improves memory and focus, which helps us in every subject. Students who read often find it easier to learn and express their thoughts. Books are also friends in lonely times. When we feel sad or alone, reading can comfort us. A funny story can make us smile. An adventure story can make us feel excited. Books give us company without asking for anything in return. Most importantly, reading shapes our future. A person who reads widely learns to think deeply. They understand different cultures, histories, and experiences. This makes them wiser and more open-minded. In today's busy world, many spend hours on phones or TV, but books still hold a special place. They help us grow not only in knowledge, but also in character. Reading is a habit that can change our lives.